Here, welcome to day 7, lucky 7. So here we go. We're going to be talking about today is your funnel automation. So what is that? What does that mean? Your funnel automation is what I'm referring to as what's called a CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. I think there's other variations of that, but customer relationship management is what I've heard it referred to. And what I use to manage that is a service called Drip. Another service that you may have heard of is called Aweber. Now, these are also called email autoresponders. And essentially, what these things do and how they help you is that they just kind of automate everything that needs to be automated in regards to communications with leads and customers. So it's not just a customer relationship management, because what it also does is takes care of the people who sign up and maybe they want some free information from you. This sends them automatic emails, sends them messages that are designed to convert them from a lead into a customer. And I'm going to actually show you, we're going to kind of dive into mine here, and I'll give you a little bit of an insider look just to kind of see some of the inner workings and what goes on there. Okay, so let's take a look over at mine. Okay, so here we can see this shows us a whole bunch of data. This is inside Drip. So this shows us a whole bunch of information about people who've subscribed. I get a nice little graph here showing me all the information for what's going on in my Drip account. Now, Aweber is a good service. It's very cost effective, very powerful as well. It does pretty much most of the features that you can do in Drip, you can do in Aweber as well. If you're just starting out, Aweber is a great service to use as an email autoresponder. But what this does is lets us send out, you can see we've got automatic campaigns. These are the automatic emails that are going to go out. And maybe they deliver our free content. They're designed to get people over to our sales messages, that kind of thing. So you can see I get a whole bunch of information in regards to how many people are subscribed, who's opening, clicking, unsubscribing. We can also do broadcasts, which are custom messages. Maybe I wake up this morning and I decide I want to send an email out to everyone on my list. I can do that using a broadcast. And I can also segment and send out emails to only different portions of my email list. But we're going to get really deep into this in the coming lessons here once we go into the email portion of things. But for now, I just wanted to show you kind of an insider look into this. Now, so I'll have some links to both of these products underneath here, and you can kind of go over and check them out and see about things. Now, as far as using and pricing, Aweber, extremely cheap. I think it's like $20 a month until you get over like thousands of subscribers. So that's a cheap one to start out with, and a really good one for beginners. For Drip, the nice thing that they have here is you can set up an account, but until you get your first 100 subscribers, the account is free. So we'll get deeper into that as we go along into the specific email marketing portion of the bootcamp here, but I just kind of wanted to show you this and show you a little bit of what's inside here. So your homework for today is just to check out both of these services, see what you think about each one, and just kind of familiarize yourself with email autoresponders. And I will see you in the next video.